Do my hair with me with bundles from BUW Bundles. This is my braid down, y'all. I did not use leave out for this. I actually did use the 4x4 closure, but I did not get it from the company, so I'm not going to be showing you the process of the closure, but it's just your simple 4x4, no baby hair, laid the cap down, put the closure down, and boom. If you want to know more information about that, just ask me. But this is how the closure ended up coming out, y'all. Parted it in the middle, got it prepped. The real focus of the video is the bundles, though. So that's what we're focusing on. This is the packaging that it came in. 100% human hair. They sent me 3 bundles, 20, 22, and 24 inch. But the 24 really gave like 28. Like, I'm 5'1", and do y'all see how long this hair is on me? And it was full all the way down, like from the top to the bottom. It did not get thin. I love that for me. Like, this is after the full 24 inch was in. Then I started putting in the 22 inch bundles and just laying the glue on the track, going from one side of my closure to the next, wrapping it all the way around. And again, flawless. It was super duper easy, super duper repetitive. This is the last bundle. Do y'all see the movement in it? Do y'all see how full the ends look? So this was me pretty much laying my last track, securing it all. I was able to fit all the hair in my head as well. And this is me just showing y'all how full the hair actually is. Like, look at that. I took the closure down, took it out the braids because I prepped the closure first, like I said. And then I started straightening the closure to blend in with the bundles, which it did really, really seamlessly, really, really flawless. And the end result, do y'all see this? Chef's kiss. Look how long the hair looks. Look how silky it looks. I did not add any product in this hair. I just flat ironed it. Look how it moves. Look how it blends. It's giving Princess Jasmine. So head over to BUW Bundles now and go get this hair.